My new online learning videos are a combination with a 30-minute Zoom one-to-one session to help you really progress. Here's what to expect.
Oils for Beginners is the first in a series of videos which will guide you through the exciting world of painting in oils. This video in particular was designed for an absolute beginner, so if you've never painted before and you would like to have a go, then please come along with me and enjoy the experience.
So we start with a look at the colours that you're going to use during introduction to the paints, and also the three brushes I've used in this course, which is the two filberts and the round brush. If you've never used oils before, then this is a handy introduction to the paint and how to handle it, making all sorts of different marks as you mix the colours together. Plenty of these exercises as you work through the video, accompanied by detailed instructions on how to mix the colours before you start, starting with very simple subjects such as this banana, single pieces of fruit, so you can learn from the very beginning. In the video we combined what you've learned to create a full still life painting with background and several pieces of fruit and this lovely vase, by which time you will have built up confidence in handling your brush and the paint. And at all stages you can use up your 30-minute Zoom lesson with me. You don't have to wait until the end of this course to dial up and spend time so that I can help you with whatever you're struggling with. And hopefully by the end you'll be completing this lovely still life and then be ready to move on and learn even more. The video package is available from my website, where you will also find the shop with access to my whole range of brushes, including those used in this course.